What's up, guys? Warrior Reacts here, and welcome to another vlog. And this is more like something I just felt like sharing. This is Victoria Day weekend, and I just got home from the store about 5 minutes ago, or 10 minutes ago, or whatever. But I got a little something to celebrate Victoria Day weekend, and you guys can probably already see in the title of the video what I got. And yes, I absolutely love fireworks. Absolutely. And usually every Victoria Day every year, I always buy some fireworks to celebrate Victoria Day. I don't usually get like a big amount. Fireworks are fun to do, but technically, you know, they're pretty much just burning money, you know. But so I would usually watch I do usually buy fireworks, but I would definitely watch the amount I'm spending on fireworks, you know. And you know what? I'm just gonna show you the fireworks I got. Hold on. Okay, this is the fireworks I just got home with. First of all, let me show you these ones right here. These ones are air bombs. I've seen these what they do before. They do like a crackling, really loud bang. And these ones right here are Roman candles, and they're called Sky Storm. And these things crackle as well. They don't explode, but they just crackle. It's just a crackling flare. It doesn't explode though. And I got 3 of them for about $1. These ones were actually on sale. They were on sale for about a little over $1 each of the Roman candles. And I don't even know. I can't even remember how much these were, but yeah, nothing too crazy. Okay, so me and my dad are going to be going out in a few minutes to go out light these fireworks. First of all, we need to find a place to light them. We need a wide open place. And yeah, so I heard that now Roman candles. I heard they're safe to hold while they're blowing off. I heard because they don't explode. They're just a flare, and I know that. But so if there's no place to like dig a hole to put them in, then we'll have to hold them, I guess. So yeah, stay tuned. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Alright, so we're on our way to go light these fireworks. First, we need to find a wide open area. This is the hallway of my apartment, as you guys can see. And we might be hearing some other people lighting off fireworks while we're out there. I don't know. I heard firecrackers earlier, but it's a nice day. It's a nice night. Very warm out here today. There's the street. Across over there is the school. St. Clair High School. Okay, we found this school playground. It's wide open. We're gonna light them off over here. And yes, there is people lighting off fireworks tonight. We've been hearing some as we were walking here. And we don't see a place to dig in those Roman candles, so I guess that means we're gonna have to hold them. Here's my dad. He's gonna light off we're gonna start with one of the air bombs. I'm sorry you guys can't really see. I was hoping we'd get here earlier, some daylight into this, but other than that, we'll still see the fireworks. Okay, here comes the first air bomb. Here he goes. Oh boy, here we go. Whoa! Oh! I do a Roman candle now. It's called the Storm Crackle or something like that again. Hold on, here he goes. Here he goes. go. Oh boy, here he goes. Whoa! Whoa. Yeah, aim over there. Oh!
Oh, he's lighting it. There it goes.
Here we go. Ah. Another air bomb, and we're gonna do an honoring of one of our family members. I'm sorry you guys can't see, but we're doing the honoring of our grandmother. Go. Wait for it. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we just let off those fireworks and we're about to head home. That was pretty fun, eh? I love the crackling ones. Those Roman candles are pretty cool.
I was finding dimes.
Finding dimes.